I'm Logan. I'm the founder and CEO of Datalogz. And Microsoft came out with a new blog post last week on April 27th about the importance of implementing auditing and monitoring within your Power BI environment. And I just want to highlight a few pieces here. One of the most important things that Microsoft calls out is that if you're not already extracting and storing user activities data, you need to make this an urgent priority. And this is important to understand your environment. Is it successful? Where are the problems and what are the issues? And secondly, Microsoft also calls out here that we recommend you to store a tenant inventory snapshot every single week. And there's a few ways to do this. So this includes working with the Power BI REST APIs, which any company can set up. We normally see it takes anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks to collect and set up a job to actually persist all the REST APIs into a relational database. The limitation, though, is you only get 30 days of activity data at a time. Now, with the Datalogz app, let me show you how easy it is to get your entire Power BI metadata. All you have to do is log in, click Datalogz, either with a service principal or an O365 admin account, connect to your Microsoft environment. And we are a Microsoft verified application. So we have the little blue check mark to get easy security approval in your Microsoft Azure environment. So you're able to select all the shared groups, premium workspaces, personal groups, load them into Datalogz, and instantly we'll read in all of the activity data that exists and create a full tenant inventory. And on top of the recommendations generated in the Datalogz platform, we push all of the raw data back to you via Snowflake private listing. So you can see all of your activity data from when you start with Datalogz to forever in the future with zero engineering work required. And we also store all of your tenant inventory where we create custom insights so you can understand things like what are the common queries in your environment? Is there any data set duplication? And this is all mass data because it's from our personal Datalogz BI environment, but it shows you exactly what data spaces, workspace, assets need to be consolidated from this tenant inventory. So not only do you get the Microsoft recommended tenant inventory and the click of a button, plus all of your activity data, you get hundreds or thousands of insights that our team's already built for you to use. If you're interested in a demo, feel free to just ping me on LinkedIn or book a demo on our website. Thank you.